up, guys? We are back on the water today. I'll catch you guys when I get to our first spot. We are back at White Bear to try to search for that big 7-pounder that we saw the other day. So yeah, we're gonna catch you right when we get to the spot. See you there. I missed one. Damn it.
Not a bite?
Yeah, he short striked it.
Were they weeds or were they bites? Were they weeds or were they bites?
Well, that's what, 4 fish for you right now? Or is it 3? Oh yeah, that's 4 fish if you count it. If you got the pike, yes.
No, it'd be 3.
They're catching fish out there.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, net. Right now.
Uh-oh.
Come on. Come on. Right here. It's right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go, baby.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a biggie.
Yeah, he wanted that.
Ooh, that's a little bit bigger than mine. That's 2.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Another bass. And I don't know what's going on with its stomach. I think it's pregnant, but yeah, we're gonna release it. It's got something going on.
Oh, really? That's gross.
It's playing.
Very nice, very nice.
Most likely. The boat can't fit over there. I got beached over there too last year.
Fishy. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, my mic.
You need net? Very good.
No, it should be okay. No!
Lost it. Chat, he lost it. He's pissed. He is so mad right now.
I bet he'll go for it back again. I didn't expect to catch him anyways. I mean, I know there was a chance of catching a fish. Well, now I know this combo works. That's a pretty big one too.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Nothing.
That's okay.
Really calm.
You can get on the top deck now. I think it should be fine now. Why not? Why don't you catch a pike?
Oh, okay. No blow up. I'm not blow
I'm gonna try to catch that fish again. See if it's dumb enough to eat my bait again. Cast? Yep, that's perfect. Oh, that's the other boat that was cruising on the lake earlier.
Tired. But... Ooh, and he almost hit my head.
Dumb enough to bite again. Net. Yeah, it's just a small guy. Net. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, he wanted it. Well, look, it just came out, Harlan. Oh, calm down. I can weigh you real quick. Pound. Pound 15? Well, I don't know. I was reading. Yeah, pound 15.
Alright, this is my last test with this.
I guarantee you that's the same bass.
I have to. It looks the same.
Judge you. I'm afraid it's not good. But you do catch big ones though.
Yeah. It's getting a little quiet.
Get the fuck out of the mud.
You're struggling a lot.
He's stuck on it. There he is.
Oh, damn. No, you're good.
Nope. Hooked him good as fuck.
That's a good one. Hello.
Look where I hook.
Oh, shit.
Basisi. Tanasisi.
CC? Alright, you're done.
No, I saw him swirl on it already. Yep, that's how I release all my fish now. Thanks for playing.
This is how you should cast that. Oh, never mind. Don't watch me, watch him. Hello, beauty. Alright, I'm casting it. Oh, I gotta get I guess? I mean, I guess?
That's how you do it. A little small dinkers for the books. We're gonna put them in back in the water, you know. Thanks for playing again. Nice boy. Nah, bro. They chilling. Oh, right next to the dock, Harlan. Yeah. How many net? Harlan net.
Coming.
My rod bending like this is a big one.
Yep. Holy shit. What if you caught the muskie?
No, it's not the muskie.
100-pounder.
It's a decent sized one. Oh yeah, it's nice, it's nice. Harlan, get it. Got it.
I got it.
Woo! Let's go, baby!
That's a nice one. Big one right there. Woo!
That's probably a 3-pounder.
That one was nice.
Oh my god, dude. Whoo, look at this chunky mama, my 5th fish for the day. Let's get her weight. Weight is 3.8.
3-pounder, baby. That
Yep.
should have been mine.
Okay, ready? Fire. Okay, you're good. All right, guys, we are done with the lake. I will catch you guys as soon as we load up, and yeah, we'll get talking about our day today. All right, what's up, guys? We got the boat all packed up, ready to go on another adventure when we go. With that, we've caught about 10 to 12 solid bag of bass, and we did catch a snot rocket, and they like to bite your bait off and steal your baits, you know, them toothy critters. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next adventure.